Hello students, once again your math teacher M.K.M is here with you to explain you the next chapter, and that chapter name is lines and angles. Student, this is your revision video, and this is a revision chapter because your half yearly syllabus has been completed. So as a revision I am going to explain you this chapter. Okay, some topics I am going to explain you. You must to learn these topics, and all the rest chapters in previous chapters I explained, and some more chapters are there, and so you continue this video, and then you can learn many things. So first of all, there is it is given the lines and angles. What are the corresponding angles? Some angles we will learn in this chapter. Okay, and what is a line and an angles? So a line, student, this is a line which we can extend both sides, and it does not have any fixed point. Okay, the line has been drawn, and you can see both side arrow is there, one this side and this side, and both side the arrows are, we can increase this line. This line we can increase both side, left side as well as right side also. So this is called line. Okay, this is a line. Here we can give the AB, we can give the name AB is a line. AB is a line which we can extend both sides, as B side also and as A side also. Okay, so it does not have any fixed point. And the next one, when this line, two lines are joining at one point, and means there is a point, and from this one point two lines are originated in different direction. So these or both these lines are having same vertex, that is O. We can give the name OP, whatever you want. You can give the name of this origin point. Okay, I have given here O, and so these lines will make the angle. This is called vertices. O point is vertices, and when these two lines are producing from one source or from one point, that point is called origin point, and also these two arms will make an angle. So this is an angle. So this is the chapter lines and angle, and there are different types of angles in this chapter. Okay, I am going to explain. So here you can see first topic is corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? Students, when two lines are there and one transversal line, two lines may be parallel, may not be parallel. First of all, I am explaining with the simple lines L and M. Two lines are there, L and M. Here they are not parallel. Okay, directly I am explaining with the two lines, and one line is transversal. Transversal line means when two lines are intersecting by one line, the intersecting line is known as the transversal line. So here T is a transversal line, and when it is making some angles, so one phase angles, these angles, you can give one angle, 2, 3 and 4. These are corresponding angles. Same side phase angles are called corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 corresponding angle, angle 3 and angle 4 corresponding angles. Okay, same way if downwards you will write, you can write down the downwards direction also. Okay, this is T transversal line, L and M, two lines are there, L and M, and one transversal line. So you can say downward direction also you can write down like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then these angles are corresponding angles. Okay, downwards also as well as in upward direction also. These angles are corresponding angles. Okay, so you must to know the difference of the angles. Here in the diagram also you can see corresponding angles axiom. Now when we will learn about the parallel line, then there is a difference. When is two parallel lines are there, L and M. Suppose two lines are parallel, L and M, and they are intersecting with our transversal line. One transversal line is intersecting, then these corresponding angles will be equal to each other. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Same as angle 3 equals to angle 4. Angle 3 equals to angle 4. Okay, so these angles will equal in parallel line. This situation only in parallel line condition. If the lines are parallel, then these corresponding angles will be equal. Okay, this is corresponding angles axiom. Here it is given. Next is alternate angle. Alternate angles are only and only will be in the parallel line. If alternate angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. What type of alternate angles? That I am going to explain. Suppose these two lines are not parallel. Two non-parallel lines are given and one transversal line is there. Okay, then this angle and this, angle 1 and angle 2. These angles are called alternate angles. Student, here these lines are not parallel. Okay, remember these lines are not parallel, but angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate angle. Same as this side, angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate angle. But if the lines are parallel, then what will happen? Then these alternate angles will be equal. Okay, student, these angles will be equal. The condition should be, the lines should be parallel, L parallel M. The line L parallel to line M. Then only alternate angle will be equal. Corresponding angles also will be equal. Okay. So these 2 points were there. Now next you can see in the diagram. Okay, it is given alternate angle and alternate angles. Exterior angles and interior angles both are there. Angles of the axiom that I explained right now, that will be in the parallel situation. Okay, this axiom explained in the parallel condition. Alternate angles will be equal, maybe interior or exterior, but they will be equal in parallel condition. Okay, then the lines are parallel. So you have to converse of alternate angles axioms. Converse, what is the meaning of converse? Here one situation, lines were parallel. First of all, lines are parallel, then these alternate angles will be equal. Okay, and if the converse means if angles are equal, then lines will be parallel. So this is the converse of alternate angle axiom. It is given if a transversal intersects two lines such that the angle and pair of alternate angles are equal, then two lines are parallel. Okay, so this pattern is vice versa. If the lines are parallel, then alternate angles will be equal, and if the angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. Okay, so it was the axiom. You student, please watch this video continue, then only you can understand. Here now, property of interior angles on the same side of a transversal. Property of interior angle. Okay, interior angles. What are the interior angles on the same side? I am going to explain with the diagram. See, these are the lines. Once again I am saying these lines right now. I am not taking parallel lines, but one transversal line is there. Okay, these angles are interior angle in same side, angle 1 and angle 2, and these are the angles, if the angle 2 and angle 3 and angle 4. 1 and 2, angle 1 and 2 are same side angle, and 3 and 4 also are interior angle on the same side of a transversal. Okay, these are the same side angles. But what will happen if these lines are parallel? Then if the lines are parallel, then is when the sum of these two interior angles should be 180 degree. Okay, like this. If the lines are parallel and these interior angles we are taking 1 and 2 same side, then angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 180 degree. Okay, and now the converse of this axiom, what will be? If sum of two interior angles of this type is 180 degree, then lines are parallel, and if the lines are parallel, then sum of these angles will be 180 degree. Okay, here in the diagram you can see angle 1 plus angle 4 180 degree. Here it is given angle 1 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree, angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Okay, so here in the diagram you can see. And now what is the converse? Just right now I explained. If sum of these interior angles, sum of these 2 and 3 is 180 degree, interior angles same side, then the lines will be parallel. So this is the converse of this one. Hope you are understanding these points. You please keep in mind, and again and again you can learn these points. Okay. Next, here also you can see. See, this is the example. Solution also are there. We have to solve this. We find out the solution, find the value of x, and you can see if the value of x is coming like this. You can see here. See, this is the diagram, and you can see the see the solution. Here this diagram is given and it is given L parallel M. Lines are parallel and one end side is transversal. Some angles are given in this diagram. We have to find out the value of X. So X will equals to 96 degree, that is vertically opposite angle. Okay. So vertical opposite angle will equal, and now it is given that the lines are parallel. So what will happen? X plus 84, this angle is given. Sum of these two interior angles in same side, that will be 180 degree. So here this identity has been used and the value of X came out, that is 96 degree. Okay, it means these lines are parallel, or X plus 84 should be here X, the value of X 96, that is equals to vertical opposite angle, and X plus 84, that answer came equals to 180 degree. When it came 180 degree, it means lines are parallel. So the L and M are parallel. Okay. And the next, here you can see in this diagram, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. If any one lines are parallel to the same line, then they also will be parallel to each other. Suppose here example is given. This AB parallel to CD. AB line parallel to CD and CD parallel EF. Okay, then what will happen? Then AB will parallel to CF also. So this point. AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF. It means AB parallel CF. Okay, so you understood this point also. Okay, example is given in the given figure. Line AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Find the value of X. Let us see this diagram. Sorry, this question here it is given. See, in this diagram it is given, what is given? AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Then we have to find out the value of X. Now it is given CD parallel EF and EF parallel, AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF it is given. Then what will happen, student? It will happen that AB is parallel to EF. When it is parallel, then X equals to 75 degree. That will be alternate angle. Okay, understood? So this is the angle property. And the next one is angle sum property of a triangle. Triangle में angle sum property, sum of all three angle is 180 degree. This is angle sum property. You must to know it. Okay, it will not come to prove. You know, and already you know this one. So here one example also is given. If that measure of the angle of a triangle are in the ratio, then find all the angles. Ratios are given. These ratios we can take as 2x, 4x and 6x. And by using this property we can find out the value of X, and then we can make these angles clear. Okay, so this is a way to find out the angles if angles are given in ratio form. Okay, so this was your revision point, and some more points are given here. Relation between the vertex angle of the angle made. See, okay, these relations you have to learn, and in CRT examples have been solved. Angle BOX, if you will find out, then it will be 90 degree plus 1/2 angle A. Direct BOC angle you can find out 90 plus half of vertex angle. Okay, angle A. So these properties you should know it. Okay, exterior angle property you know already. This exterior angle will equals to sum of opposite interior angles in a triangle. Okay, so these were the points, students, as a revision. Okay, you must to watch this video. Okay, and you can learn many things. Many things are given with the examples. You must note it down, and these things I will send in PDF. Okay, so you can get it down from the Google Classroom. Thank you, students. God bless.